Hello everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to all of my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like Latin food, I'm pretty sure you have tasted and like Cuban style black beans. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Cuban style black beans, but I'm adding ham to these beans. They come out really delicious. I'm inviting you to join me in my kitchen to make this wonderful dish. I start the beans by soaking them overnight in 8 cups of water. This is 1 pound of black beans. Also, in my slow cooker, I'm going to be cooking overnight 4 pork ham hocks in 6 cups of water. The morning after, I remove the ham hocks from the broth, reserving the broth to cook the beans. Remove all the bones or the skin and all the fat from the skin or the meat of the ham hook. Shred the meat and reserve it for later. Also, I'm going to rinse the beans that have been soaking overnight, removing any undesirable bean. In a big pot, I'm going to start cooking the beans. In slow cooking or slow temperature with 6 cups of ham hocks broth. This will cook for about 1 hour and a half. After an hour and a half, cooking in slow temperature or low temperature, the beans should be tender. If they're not, leave it a little longer. Then I'm going to make the sofrito with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 diced large onion. I saute the onion until it's translucent. It takes about 6 minutes. Then I'll add to the onion 1 diced red bell pepper. You can use green or yellow, it really doesn't matter what color you prefer. Cook for 2 additional minutes. Then add about 4 mashed garlic cloves. Again, the garlic cloves is up to you. All depends how much garlic you like. Let it cook for 1 or 2 additional minutes. Then I add 1/4 cup of white dry wine. You can substitute the wine for broth or apple juice. While the beans is boiling, I'm going to add the sofrito to the beans. I also going to add 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar and 2 bay leaves. This is the time to add The ham hooks meat, and the meat is completely optional. You can add as little or as much as you want. I'm going to taste for salt. Remember, some ham are pretty salty. So I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix well and let it cook for about 1 additional hour on cover in medium-high. After the hour, the beans to be thick and they are ready to be served. You can serve with white rice, plain as a soup, bread, or whatever you prefer. Buen provecho. I hope you like this recipe and that you come back to see me again with my next video. I see you soon. Bye bye.